The last one is number 15. All right. So we're going to look at 15. And 15 says 4x squared minus 100 over 2x squared plus x minus 15. So let's go to work with factoring. When I pull the 4 out of the numerator, I'm going to have x squared minus 25. That factors in x plus 5, x minus 5. All right, when I factor my denominator, I'm going to have 2x and x. All right, the 3 is going to go here when I factor it. And then the minus 5 goes there. That would be negative 5x and 6x, so that works. All right, since nothing cancels out, I have no holes. All right, x equals 2.5 is a vertical asymptote there. X equals negative 3 is a vertical asymptote there. So I'm going to graph those. So there's my negative 3 asymptote, and there's my 2.5 asymptote. All right, I'm going to plug in 2. All right, if I plug in 2 to my equation, all right, 2 squared is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 minus 100 is negative 84. All right. If I plug it into my denominator, 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 15 is negative 5. So 2, which is on this side, is going to be up here. All right. Since this is 2.5 over here, maybe I plug in 1. I do 2. 2, 16, negative 84, 4, 6, 8. 10 minus 15 is negative 5. Yeah, so it's a negative over negative. So there's my 2 over there. All right. So now I'm going to plug in negative 2 to see what happens over there. On the other side of it, negative 2 squared is 4. 4 squared is 16. Once again, I got negative 84 on the top. The bottom, negative 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 15 is negative 9. So that makes that positive as well, negative 84 over 9. All right. So when I'm looking at, because it's what, 4x squared minus 100 over 2x squared. All right, the horizontal asymptote, since their degrees are even, y equals 4 over 2, which would be 2. So there's my horizontal asymptote. Since these are both up here, that part of the graph is going to look like that. Now when I get the outsides, maybe I plug in 3. All right, 3 squared is 9. 9 squared is 36. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 minus 100 is negative 64. Over 3 squared is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 21 minus 15 is negative 6, which puts me down here. Tells me my graph's going to look like that. All right. And then on the other side of that asymptote, which is at negative 3, maybe I plug in negative 4. If I plug that in, negative 4 squared is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. Minus 100 is negative 36. Over 32, when I square minus 4 is 28 over 13. So that's a negative. So that's down here, which tells me that part of the graph is also underneath. Let's see how I did over in Desmos. So I'm going to graph 4x squared minus 100 divided by 2x squared plus x minus 15. All right. And if I look back at my sketch, it seems to be okay. All right. The domain, obviously, x is not equal to 2.5 or negative 3. The range, y is not equal to the horizontal asymptote, which is 2. All right. And then your asymptotes fill in from there. All right. I hope it helped.